What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another Money Moves episode, and let's go ahead and dive in to see where the millions and billions of dollars have been flowing in the world of technology. Laurene Powell Jobs joins Amazon in backing nuclear startup X Energy in a $700 million round. Nuclear startup X Energy has added $200 million to an existing $500 million Series C round. The small modular reactor specialist previously announced a deal with Amazon in October, which included an investment and development agreements to build 300 megawatts worth of nuclear power plants in the Pacific Northwest. New investors in the round include Ares Management, Laurene Powell Jobs Emerson Collective, Jane Street, and Segra Capital Management. X Energy is one of the many nuclear startups to have benefited from the AI-driven data center boom alongside the Trump administration's support of nuclear power. The company's XE100 reactors are expected to generate 80 megawatts of electricity each and enough to power around 50,000 homes. The reactors are powered by so-called treacle fuel, which was designed to be safer than the more commonly used fuel rods. The company said the new funding will help complete its reactor design and licensing, along with building the first phase of its fuel fabrication plant in Oak Ridge, Tennessee. Bonsai Robotics raises Series A funding for vision-based agricultural autonomy. Physical AI, the combination of robotics and artificial intelligence, is getting traction in a number of industries, including agriculture. Bonsai Robotics Incorporated last week said it had raised $15 million in Series A funding. The company said it planned to use the financing to enhance its software capabilities, expand its platform and data set, add OEM partnerships, and accelerate commercialization efforts. Bonsai Robotics claimed that it is taking an AI-first approach to autonomous systems for farming in harsh environments. The company said its patented AI models, Orchard dataset, and computer vision software integrate with OEM equipment for autonomous operations. Its flagship Vision Steer product can navigate in GNSS-denied locations without a cellular or internet connection. This technology is affordable and suitable for environments with dust, darkness, debris, elevation changes, and vibration. Vision Steer is designed to meet grower needs, offering data insights, crop analysis, notifications, job planning, and autonomous vehicle control, the company added. It has partnered with multiple equipment manufacturers and has deployed over 40 units for tree nut orchard applications, both in the US and Australia. In more Money Moves news, XOI raises $230 million and acquires specifics to expand its tech for field service technicians. XOI, which builds software for maintenance people to snap pictures and quickly access information about the machines they are fixing, announced that it has raised a fresh round of $230 million from KKR to expand its business. XOI will immediately be using a chunk of that funding for immediate growth. It's buying another company in the space, Specifics, to augment its data sets with further information on some 85,000 additional model families and related data. XOI plans to integrate that data into its existing platform, both to provide more device-specific instructions and other data to its users, as well as to build out further data sets to predict maintenance, upgrades, and other work. Companies like XOI and Specific are part of a growing number of companies building solutions for what has been generally referred to as the field service or frontline worker, people who do not sit at desks, who are customer-facing or out in the field working in physical environments. Hive Class, a platform for virtual PE classes for kids, raises $1.5 million. Hive Class is a New York-based edtech platform that hosts online courses for K-12 students to learn about fitness, sports, dance, yoga, nutrition, and mindfulness, among other things. There's also a self-defense course as well. Even in a post-pandemic world, the platform is attracting interest owing to a confluence of trends. This is why investors recognize the value of Hive Class, helping them raise the $1.5 million seed funding. The funding will be allocated to product development. It will also be used to enhance a teacher portal that's used by educators who use Hive Class to increase engagement in their classrooms. Also on the roadmap, new services for students with special needs. The platform offers a collection of short-form videos that teach children various skills, such as how to dribble a basketball. In addition to the videos, there are quizzes in between clips that require written responses, helping to keep kids focused and engaged. The company currently partners with more than 80 educational institutions and has over 13,000 students and teachers on the platform. The recent round was led by Spring Mountain Mountain Capital. Other investors in the round include Georgetown Angel Investor Network, New York State Venture Fund, Rethink Education, and Techstars. Self-Inspection raises $3 million for its AI-powered vehicle inspections. Self-Inspection recently announced its $3 million seed round co-led by Costa No Ventures and DVX Ventures, the firm run by former Tesla president John McNeil. Joining the round was Westlake Financial, which handles more than 1 million vehicle transactions annually. Karim Bosta, partner at DVX Ventures, believes the traditional vehicle inspection process is ripe for innovation. Self-inspection's technology not only streamlines operations for auto lenders, dealerships, and rental companies, but also sets a new benchmark for quality, reliability, and seamless digital experience in the $30 billion vehicle inspection market. Self-inspection only needs a smartphone camera, although its software can also leverage data pulled from a car's OBD2 port. The company trained its AI models on what it describes as one of the largest data sets of damaged vehicles. Those models can quickly detect damage and assess the severity before generating a cost estimate and one of the most thorough vehicle inspection reports available in the industry. The software doesn't require users to be a specific distance away from a car as they take photos or videos like other services do. And for now, it's not even a standalone app. Self-inspection integrates the software into its customers' own workflows, and all vehicle inspections are done through a smartphone's web browser, accessed after a user gets texted or emailed a link. In our next Money Moves news article, we have Tana snaps up $25 million as its AI-powered knowledge graph for work racks up 160K plus waitlist. Tana is now emerging from stealth, announcing for the first time $25 million in funding from an interesting list of backers to get started. Tana is essentially part automated list builder and note taker, part application enabler, and part organizer. It can listen to conversations, for example over Zoom, or voice memos directed to Tana itself, transcribe them, and turn them into action items. It then works on that, depending on what the user might have integrated with it, to create lists, spreadsheets, web page updates, and more. It also has a feature it calls Super Tag, which the company describes as modeled on object-oriented programming that transforms unstructured to structured information in seconds. Aimed at both individuals as well as teams, Tana aims to help create and then work with data and subsequent action items that its users generate. There is already some momentum behind the startup. On back of a popular closed beta and word of mouth, Tana claims it has already managed to pick up 160,000 users on its waitlist. Tana says some 30,000 people used and tested its closed beta over 9 months, and it amassed 24,000 users on a Tana Slack community. Tola Capital, a VC firm that focuses on AI-powered enterprise software, is leading the most recent $14 million Series A at a $100 million post-money valuation. The seed round of $11 million saw an investment from La Familia, now part of General Catalyst, Google Maps co-founder Lars Rasmussen, Dropbox co-founder Arash Ferdowsi, Runway founder Sukhweek Chin, and Datadog founder Oliver Pommel, among nearly 24 others. Intel Capital fuels True Foundry's $19 million funding to help boost AI deployments at scale. True Foundry, a startup run by a group of former Meta engineers to help enterprises deploy AI systems at scale, has raised $19 million in fresh investment led by Intel Capital. True Foundry addresses all this with its software available under a platform-as-a-service model targeting full-stack data scientists. It provides features such as auto-scaling, proactive maintenance, centralized access controls, and real-time monitoring to simplify end-to-end AI deployments. The startup provides a software solution called Autopilot System, which uses AI to look at logs and metrics to help scale AI applications by adjusting GPU usage and fixing memory requirements. Using the Autopilot System, Gudgutia told TechCrunch one of True Foundry's customers with a small team of 2 people managed 10 million requests per second. True Foundry currently has 30 paid customers worldwide alongside a lot of users accessing its open source RAG framework for experimentation. Of these customers, GPU giant NVIDIA uses the software to build and deploy agents that optimize its GPU clusters. MedTech company ResMed also uses True Foundry's offering to develop an internal AI platform. Similarly, Siemens, Healthineers, Automation Anywhere, Games 24x7, and WhatFix are among the customers. The all-equity Series A round saw participation from ENAC Ventures, Peak XV Partners, House and Jump Capital, as well as angel investors including Gokul Rajaram, Mohit Iran, and Sayan Bannister. The startup will utilize the funding to expand the team from 45 members based in India to go-to-market positions in the U.S., including sales, customer success, and product marketing roles. It also plans to invest in partnerships, especially with cloud vendors, and is in the process of getting listed in the key cloud marketplaces, beginning with AWS Marketplace. In our next Money Moves news, Hidden Level raises $65 million for drone detection system. Hidden Level raised $65 million in a Series C funding round. The company develops passive radar and radio frequency sensing technologies for detecting and locating drones and other aerial threats. The new capital will be used to scale the business by expanding manufacturing, hiring across the board, and growing internationally after deployments with over a dozen cutting-edge customers, including NASA, the U.S. Army, the U.S. Air Force, and the U.S. Department of Defense, while meeting the demands of new clients. Hidden Level detects and tracks a wide range of aerial activity, including drones, whether emitting signals, operating covertly as dark drones, or posing as imitations. It can also track aircraft, balloons, and other objects in the airspace. The latest funding round was led by DFJ Growth. It included participation from Booz Allen Ventures, Revolution Growth, Costa Noa Ventures, Washington Harbor Partners, Veteran Ventures, Founder Circle Capital, and others. Hidden Level said drones represent a growing threat in military and civilian environments. This gap in airspace situational awareness underscores the need for advanced sensing solutions capable of identifying and locating drone threats in real time, the company said. Canada's Stack Adapt snaps up $235 million for its AI-based programmatic platform. Stack Adapt, a programmatic advertising startup, says that it has raised $235 million in equity with Teachers Venture Growth, TVG, the investment arm of the Ontario Teachers Pension Plan, leading the growth round. Intrepid Growth Partners, a firm based between Toronto and London, is also participating along with 4 other investors that are not being named. Stack Adapt works with customers across different business verticals, for example, political campaigns, retailers, B2B, travel, healthcare, and financial services, and helps them place ads in front of the audiences they are aiming to reach. Its inventory includes native advertising, sponsored content, display, video, connected TV, audio, games, and more. Up next we have SoftBank consumed by Renee James Ampery chip company for about $6.5 billion. Ampery, the semiconductor business founded by former Intel exec Renee James, is reportedly on the cusp of selling itself to SoftBank, the latest in an ongoing saga over the company's future ownership. Ampery designs ARM chips for the data center, a good fit for SoftBank, which is the majority owner of chip designer ARM Holdings. Because Ampery is a private company, we are not sure how much is still owned by James, who has been CEO since she founded it. However, the company has been rumored to be on the market for a buyer since September, and the deal with SoftBank is not final. Alright, so that's just some of the money moves happening in the world of technology, and as always, I bring you this information so that way you know where money is going for different industries, and also there could be opportunities for you to join these teams who are receiving this new funding. So as always, I hope you enjoyed the video, and to continue to stay informed, check out these 2 videos right here, comment down below in the comment sections of those videos, and stay tuned for the next one.